With a training course from the Leather Repair Company, our courses are very hands-on. So you first of all come into our detailing centre and then you're going to walk through our workshops. This is where you can actually see technicians at work, learning directly from technicians if you wanted to during your course. So you can actually see where people are actually working and restoring leather items. This is actually the training studios. First of all, with any course that we do, we started off with a full slideshow, which is a bit about leather. And everything you see here is everything to do with Leather ID. The facilities we have are quite extensive here. You've got absolutely everything that you need at your fingertips. You are coming into our facilities. This is not like a regimented classroom, but you are here to learn on what we call reality rather than in a false sense of classroom where you're put on a table with a piece of leather. You are physically working hands-on. You are bringing items with you and you are working on the leather items that you bring with you into these studios. So we can actually do training via online sessions as well if you wanted to, full live online sessions to help you after you have been trained as well. That is something that is a big bonus of our company. We believe we have the best support system and technical help system in the world in our industry. Obviously, some of the first things that you have to go through, first of all, is Leather ID. We have a huge selection of skins here that you go through with Leather ID. You are using our workshops, you are using all of our tools and equipment. All of these cupboards that you see have all the tools and equipment in that you are going to need to use while you're on this course. You don't need to bring any tools or equipment with you. This is our spray booth and spraying facilities. You will be working here when you're spraying leather. This is just some items we're restoring. So obviously in all these particular cupboards, we have everything that you need to deal with restoring your leather, from hoovers to vacuum off all your leather equipment. We have all different pipes and things for obviously connecting to compressors and things. In these particular cupboards, we have all sorts of masks that we give to trainees. We have obviously all sponges and colours and things that you need. This is just all different tools and equipment and colours and things that we've got over the years that people can, get used to sort of using. All of these are just different cupboards. In this particular cupboard here, we have all the different types of spraying equipment that we have, all the different spray machines. We have airbrushes as well as all the different sort of spraying equipment. There's all sorts of colour decks that you can get as well, so that you can sort of get all sorts of different colour fan decks to use for doing any type of colour mixing and stuff like that as well. So all the cupboards have everything in that you need. In this particular section, we have all the tapes at hand. You just come and get all the different tapes that you need. There is all the different types of sandpapers at your fingertips. You've obviously got all types of sanding pads and prep pads and things at your fingertips, and all different types of leather cleaning brushes for different types of surfaces. Obviously, you have everything here. We have all the safety equipment here that you need for first aid. There's everything, even including stuff for sort of sanitising hands, and we always have a nice selection of goodies for people to nibble on throughout a course. So this is all our full spraying facilities. Everybody that comes on the 4-day courses gets given a mask free of charge now, so that's all included in the prices. It is a fully centrally heated building. It's very warm, it's very comfy, it's a very relaxed environment. And this is where the trainers will sit and assessors will sit, because we have trainers and assessors on each course to ensure that the trainers are doing the job correctly. The assessors will assess the trainers to ensure they're doing their job. And this is where the trainees would sit. On a 4-day course, we would have no more than 3 to 4 people maximum, because professionally you cannot train any more people than 3 or 4 on a 4-day course at any one time. On 2-day courses, it is a very different situation. You can have a lot more people on those, because you are also showing people as well as them doing little bits and bobs on those courses as well. So this is our training facilities at the Leather Repair Company. We have all sorts of leathers around here for Leather ID. Everything starts with a full slideshow to talk to you about the history of leather, and this is a very hands-on course. What you see here is everything that we use on a daily basis. You are literally in our workshops doing everything in reality rather than in a false classroom environment. This is reality that we're giving you as if you are in your own workshops. We try to make you feel as comfortable and as at home as possible as we can possibly get it. Always have plenty of teas and coffees and biscuits and chocolate cakes and things to eat, so there's plenty of goodies and things for everybody. And this is a very relaxed environment in our training facilities that we have here up in Hull in East Yorkshire. We do on the odd occasion go on the road, but all of our courses are run from Hull in East Yorkshire. So if you wanted to book a course, please go to the book a course section. Any questions you have, pick up the phone and ring us. We are here to help. We have the best technical system. We have private groups online as well. We have referral systems, so we get location referrals. You get jobs referred to you. That is all referred to you free of charge within our location referral system courses that we have. It's a massive bonus to any of the training that we do. Some of our trainees are getting thousands and thousands of pounds worth of work given to them every single month from taking one of our courses. So it's a win-win situation for every trainee that comes on a course. Thank you very much for listening to our training video about our courses. And to book, please go and book online or drop us an email, leatherrepaircompany.com. Thank you very much.